Welcome back to the channel. This is the place where we break down the best deals, tools, and real savings you can actually use. Today, we're diving into Cyber Monday power tool deals on Amazon. Featuring DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, and more. Whether you're a homeowner, DIYer, or a professional looking to upgrade your setup, these deals can save you serious money. All the links are in the description below. Prices can change fast during Cyber Monday, so if you see something you like, don't wait too long. Let's get right into it. 20 Cyber Monday Power Tool Deals, Amazon. 1. DeWalt 20 volts max drill and impact driver combo. DCK240C2. This combo kit is one of the most popular starting points for anyone building a tool collection. You get a cordless drill for drilling holes and an impact driver for driving screws and bolts with ease. It includes 2 batteries, a charger, and a carrying bag, making it a complete package right out of the box. Great for home improvement projects, furniture assembly, and general construction work. Price: $129. 2. DeWalt 20 volts max XR brushless drill driver. This brushless drill delivers more runtime and longer tool life compared to brushed models. It's compact but powerful enough for heavy use, which makes it ideal for anyone who drills frequently or works on larger projects. If you already own DeWalt 20 volts batteries, this is an easy and reliable upgrade. Price: $139. 3. DeWalt Atomic 20 volts max compact drill kit. Designed for tight spaces, this compact drill is lightweight and easy to use while still offering solid performance. It's perfect for working inside cabinets, closets, or cramped work areas. A great pick for homeowners or DIYers who want power without bulk. Price: $99. 4. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Impact Driver. This is a high-performance impact driver built for demanding fastening jobs. It delivers strong torque for deck screws, lag bolts, and structural fasteners. If you're doing construction, framing, or heavy repairs, this tool is a workhorse. Price: $149. 5. Milwaukee M18 Drill and Impact Combo Kit. This combo gives you a versatile setup with a drill and impact driver that cover most tasks: drilling holes, driving fasteners, and light masonry work. Excellent choice for serious DIYers or pros who want reliability without buying individual tools. Price: $199. 6. Milwaukee M18 5 Tool Combo Kit. One of the best all-in-one kits available. It includes a drill, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, and LED work light. Perfect for renovations, demolition, and job site work when you want everything in one purchase. Price: $299. 7. Makita 18 volts LX Drill and Impact Combo. Makita is known for smooth performance and excellent battery efficiency. This combo kit is great for daily home projects, woodworking, and light construction. Ideal if you want dependable tools with long battery life. Price: $199. 8. Makita 18 volts LX Brushless Circular Saw. This cordless circular saw offers portability without sacrificing cutting power. Perfect for cutting plywood, framing lumber, and boards around the house or on a job site. A great addition to any serious cordless setup. Price: $179. 9. Bosch 12 volts max drill driver kit. This compact drill is designed for light-duty jobs like assembling furniture, hanging shelves, or quick repairs. Easy to control, lightweight, and perfect if you want something smaller than a full-size drill. Price: $99. 10. DeWalt 20 volts max XR oscillating multi-tool. A versatile tool that can cut, sand, scrape, and trim. Great for remodeling projects, drywall work, flooring, and detail cuts. This is one of those tools you'll find yourself reaching for more often than you expect. Price: $159. 11. Milwaukee M18 Oscillating Multi-Tool. Milwaukee's version offers variable speed control and strong cutting power. Works well for flush cuts, plunge cuts, sanding, and renovation work. An excellent companion tool for home improvement and remodeling. Price: $149. 12. Ryobi ONE Plus 18 volts drill and driver combo. This budget-friendly kit is perfect for beginners and casual DIYers. It handles basic drilling and fastening tasks around the house and is a solid entry-level option if you don't need pro-level power. Price: $149. 13. DeWalt 20 volts max cordless reciprocating saw. Ideal for demolition and cutting through wood, nails, plastic, or metal with the right blade. Great for remodeling jobs, outdoor projects, and anytime you need fast, aggressive cutting power. Price: $159. 14. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hacksaw. This compact one-handed reciprocating saw is perfect for tight spaces and quick cuts. Excellent for pruning, demolition, and job site work when a full-size saw isn't practical. Price: $169. 15. Makita 18 volts LX Impact Wrench. Designed for high-torque applications like automotive work, lug nuts, and heavy fastening. A must-have if you work on vehicles or heavy equipment. Price: $199. 16. DeWalt 20 volts Max Cordless Angle Grinder. Great for metal cutting, grinding, and surface prep. A useful tool for welding projects, metal fabrication, or masonry work. Now without the hassle of cords. Price: $149. 17. Milwaukee M12 Fuel Ratchet. Perfect for automotive and mechanical work. This cordless ratchet makes removing bolts faster and easier in tight spaces where standard tools are inconvenient. Price: $129. 18. DeWalt 20 volts Max Cordless Jigsaw. Ideal for precise cuts in wood and other materials. Great for woodworking, cabinetry, and custom projects where accuracy matters. Price: $159. 19. Milwaukee M18 Random Orbit Sander. Cordless sanding makes surface prep easier and more mobile. Perfect for refinishing furniture, smoothing wood, or prepping surfaces before painting. Price: $139. 20. DeWalt 20 volts Max Cordless LED Work Light. A bright, durable work light that's perfect for job sites, garages, workshops, and emergencies. A simple tool that makes every job easier. Price: $59. Those are 20 Cyber Monday power tool deals on Amazon, featuring DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, and more. Remember, prices and availability can change quickly, so check the links in the description before they sell out. If this helped you score a deal, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel for more tool deals, reviews, and savings alerts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.